Look at this car. It's upside down. That's so cool, man. Guys, we're in 2023 SEMA Show, and I want to show you one of the craziest Mustangs you've seen, which comes stock 800 horsepower. Let me show you. This is the 2024 Mustang 5.0 GT, the new one, which comes stock 500 horsepower, but this one has a FP Performance supercharger on it, which bumps that Mustang up to 800. This is crazy. So you can actually FP Performance. The kit comes by itself, so you can add the beautiful rims right over here by itself. You don't have to get the supercharger if you want to. You can get the carbon fiber mirrors, the Recaro bucket seats, the racing seats, the carbon fiber spoiler around the vehicle, the glossy black roof, all the graphics right over here, all the graphics. You can get the rear diffuser, the huge exhaust tips. Those are optional too. Everything's made by Ford Performance, and the best part is it's under warranty. So any part that you add as far as performance and everything is covered by Ford's warranty. So this is pretty cool and pretty awesome, and you can go crazy with the Mustang. You can build it the way you want it and make it unique by yourself. Just look how beautiful this vehicle is. It's crazy. Now I want to show you something crazy. This is BMW M4, fully customized, white body kit, and the whole car has been made in 1 week just for SEMA in the guy's shop. And I was told like that the people slept in the shop to make that car make it to SEMA so they can make it. Let me take you around with it. Look at the rear end of this vehicle. This is insane. Look at the tail lights, the butt tip exhaust, the rear carbon fiber diffuser, the rims. Holy moly, look at this. Glossy black spoiler, carbon fiber on the ends, white body. Look at the rims. Look how wide this car is. It's crazy. Hope you guys can see that. This is the most beautiful M4 I've seen in my life. Wow. Let me take you inside. The whole interior is redone. We're gonna go on the other side right now. Custom Momo racing wheel, steering wheel. There's your beauty controller right there. You can make some crazy adjustments. Dude, this car is sick. It's insane. Look at it. Wow. There you go. Look at the rims. Those are probably 2 or 3 piece wheel. Those are crazy, man. Look at it. Look at that beautiful car. Oh my God. Look at the front end, how aggressive this is. Check it out. That's crazy.